Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. Apologies, but due to plants arriving that need dealing with and the garden not being ready for them to be dealt with, the orchids are going to have to wait today, and that includes filming. Apart from this, just to say it's a video to say I'm not doing a video. You know what I mean. I don't like just going missing, especially like midweek when I normally post. But yeah, today and possibly even tomorrow as well, I've just got to crack on and get these plants and those parts of the garden dealt with. These are bare rooted. You know, it would be the same if I'd ordered orchids and they'd arrive bare rooted. Everything would have to be dropped and they'd have to be dealt with. So that's what I'm up to. That's why I'm not specifically doing orchid videos, but you can still have a look at that. That, I'm hoping, will still be fine for our show coming up, as it's not too far away. But most of the buds are open that are going to open now. There's still a few, but most of them are open, so it now depends on how long they're going to last. Because I won't have much else to take. There really isn't much else. So hopefully that'll be okay. The plant's appalling. It's a lousy plant. But the plant can be tucked away. It's not a competitive show, it's a display only show. So what the plant looks like doesn't matter. If it can be buried in amongst other things and just the bloom spike sticking up, all well and good. So anyway, I will get back to the orchid side of things as soon as I can. I am going to an orchid show on Saturday. I will be taking some stills of some of the better blooms, and I'll put a slideshow together as soon after that show as I can, possibly later that day, which is Saturday, as I'm out all day Sunday again, so no Sunday chat either. So it's just 37 buses, nothing going on for ages, and then everything comes at once. So that's just how it has to be. And I'll see you next time. Quite honestly, I'm going to say it, but all the activity and all the action's going on the gardening channel at the moment. So those of you that are interested in both, at the moment, the gardening channel's the place to be, because that's where stuff's getting done and stuff's getting filmed and things are happening. So, and that's the reason why there's not so much going on here for now. See you next time. Thanks for dropping by.